We are here in Excel Lesson 6, manually formatting cell contents, working through the step-by-steps. I have open my O6 Patient Visits Format Cells Solution Workbook from the previous exercise. Step 1, click cell A1. In step 2, I'm going to go to the font group in the Home tab under the font. I'm going to drop the arrow down, and I'm going to select the first font under Theme Fonts at the top, Calibri Light. I'm then going to select the font size drop-down arrow and increase the font size to 18. Notice I get a preview of my change in cell A1. I'm now going to select A3 through O3, and I'm going to change that font to Arial. I'm going to make that font size 10. And then I'll click Save to preserve my changes. I can also access these options that are here in the font group of the Home tab when I right-click on a cell. Right above the shortcut menu, I get the mini toolbar, and it will be applicable to whatever is selected when I right-click. All right, let's change the font color. I'm going to go back to select cell A1, and the font color drop-down I'm going to click. I'm going to select red from standard colors, and notice I'm getting a preview of the font. I can also apply special character attributes to cells. I'm going to select cell A3 through O3. Oftentimes we will bold our column heading, so I'm going to click on the bold button. You also have italic right next to that. These are special character attributes. And then there's also underline. We won't click underline. Let's select cell A4 through B8. That's everyone's name. And let's click bold. I'll click Save. We can also change the color of the cell, so what appears as the background for the text. I'm going to select A3 through O3 again. And in fill color, right next to font color is fill color. I'm going to bring the arrow down. And I have theme colors and I have standard colors. I have two different palettes. I'm going to select the blue accent one. So I'm going to go to blue. Here's blue accent 1. And I want 80% lighter, which is the first one. Notice my tooltips pop up. And I'm going to go ahead and select that to change my column heading row. And I'll go ahead and click Save.